Okay, what are you doing? Okay, okay, we're gonna. Okay, what letter are we working on today? Letter V. Letter V makes what sound? V sound, right? Okay, can you point to the first word and sound out for me?
Two.
Okay. Oh, you messed up that improvised letter V. Can you fix it? Okay, good job. Okay.
There is a V.
Okay, can you read that for me?
Oh.
Okay.
We needed a blue. Actually, blue.
Okay, blue. Okay, let's start with the first word, please. Okay? First word.
Fan.
Good, okay.
Vest.
Can you sound it out for me? Sound it out for me.
Vest. The vest.
Yes.
Vest.
Good job. Okay, you can read the sentence for me, please?
Our dog is really sick. Take him to the vet.
No, letter E make what sound?
Vet.
Vet, that's right. Okay.
No, can I mess it up?
Okay, you can mess it up.